Ready.Andhra students. In this video, we are going to discuss the question paper pattern and important questions for BCom second semester Financial Accounting 1. Let's get started. Let us see question paper pattern for Andhra University. ఈ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ ప్యాటర్న్ మనకి టోటల్ 70 మార్క్స్ కి ఉంటుంది అండ్ ఈ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ లో మనకి సెక్షన్ ఏ అండ్ సెక్షన్ బి ఉంటాయి. సెక్షన్ ఏ క్యారీస్ 20 మార్క్స్, సెక్షన్ బి క్యారీస్ 50 మార్క్స్. సెక్షన్ ఏలో మనకి టోటల్ 8 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటాయి. మీరు ఎనీ 5 క్వశ్చన్స్ అటెంప్ట్ చేయవచ్చు అండ్ 3 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆర్ చాయిస్. సెక్షన్ బిలో మనకి ఇంటర్నల్ చాయిస్ ఉంటుంది. యూ కెన్ అటెంప్ట్ either 9A or 9B. 9A and 9B from Unit 1, 10A and 10B from Unit 2, 11A and 11B from Unit 3, 12A and 12B from Unit 4, 13A and 13B from Unit 5. Coming to important questions for Unit 1, Part A. First question, define accounting. ఈ క్వశ్చన్ కి మీరు అకౌంటింగ్ డెఫినేషన్ ని ఇంక్లూడ్ చేయవచ్చు అండ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో కవర్డ్ అండర్ లాంగ్ క్వశ్చన్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, డబుల్ ఎంట్రీ సిస్టమ్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, వాట్ ఆర్ ది గోల్డెన్ రూల్ ఆఫ్ అకౌంటింగ్. దిస్ క్వశ్చన్ ఆల్సో very very important question as it can also be asked in part B and important for solving journal entries. Next one, explain about gap and its objectives. Next one, explain about JAP and its objectives. Next one, what are the various types of accounts? Explain the advantages of financial accounting. These 6 questions are 5-star rating questions and very very important questions in Part A, Unit 1. Coming to Part B. First question, distinguish between bookkeeping and accounting. For this question, you can include the differences between bookkeeping and accounting in tabular form. Next one, write a note on accounting cycle and its steps. For this question, you can include the diagram of accounting cycle and elaborate its steps. Next one, write the advantages and limitations of accounting. Fourth question, discuss the business entity concept, going concern concept and cost concept. Next one, explain the conventions of conservatism, consistency and materiality. These 2 questions can also be asked as accounting principles. Next one, explain the importance and components of generally accepted accounting principles. What are the functions of accounting? Explain about types of accounting. Explain about types of accounts with an example. For this question, you can also include rules of debit and credit with examples. First 5 questions are 5-star rating questions. These 2 questions are 3-star rating questions and this one 5-star rating question. Coming to Unit 2, accounting process, Part A. First question, write one difference between journal and ledger. Next one, distinguish between purchase book and sales books. For this question, you can include the differences between purchase book and sales book in tabular form. Next one, write journal entries for the following transactions. For this problem, proforma is very very important. In this proforma, you can include date, particulars, ledger folio, debit and credit. For this type of questions, debit and credit rules are very very important. Next one, write journal entries for the following transactions. Follow the same rule as previous question. Next one, what is a double column cash book? What is meant by subsidiary books? In this question, you can also include various types of books which can also be helpful for long questions. First question is 3-star rating question. And remaining questions are 5-star rating questions and very important questions in Unit 2 Part A. Coming to Part B. First question, what are the types of errors in accounting? Next one, prepare a trial balance from the following. In this problem, debit and credit should be clear and pro forma for these: date, particulars, debit and credit. Next one, enter the following transactions in appropriate subsidiary books and post them into ledger. In this problem, subsidiary books and necessary ledgers like cash, Kiran, Anand accounts are required. It is prepared in T format. Subsidiary books like sales book, sales return, purchase return books are prepared. Next one, enter the following transactions in cash book with cash, bank and discount columns. In this, cash, bank and discount is also known as 3 or triple column cash book. Question can also be asked in this manner. And pro forma for this problem is debit side, date, particulars, ledger folio, discount allowed, cash, bank. And credit side, date, particulars, ledger folio, discount received, cash and bank. Next one, what are the various subsidiary books? This question is very important question. Next problem is, for the following errors, pass rectifying entries. This is also very important question as it can also be asked in short. Enter the following transactions in simple cash book. For this question, next question, enter the following transactions in simple cash book. In part B, first 4 questions are 5-star rating questions. These 2 questions are 3-star rating questions and this one 5-star rating question. Coming to important questions for Unit 3, Depreciation and Amortization, Part A. First question, straight line method. And next one, what are the main causes of depreciation? Next one is problem on January 1, 2019. ABC Limited purchased a machinery worth 2 lakh rupees. It is a depreciation problem. It is a It is a depreciation problem. The pro forma for this problem is similar to a ledger. Here, written down value method is also known as diminishing balance method. Next question, methods of depreciation. Next one is problem on June 1, 2020, Ganesh Limited purchased a second-hand machine for 50,000 rupees. It is also a depreciation problem whose format is similar to a ledger. In part A, these 5 questions are in part A, these 3 questions are 5-star rating question, and this one 3-star rating question, and this problem 5-star rating question. Coming to part B, first problem, on 1st January 1982, a limited company purchased machinery for 1,20,000 rupees. It is a This question also very important question, as this is a basic type of problem. Next problem, Shravani maintaining his fixed asset at a cost received for depreciation. In this question, it is a straight line method. It is a straight line method. It is a straight line method problem. Next one, explain different methods of depreciation. This question also very important question, as it also covered under part A, and you can include advantages and disadvantages also for every type. Next problem, Ravi maintaining his fixed assets at a cost provision for depreciation account. It is also a straight line method problem. Next one, on 1/4/2006, Krishna purchased a machine for 38,000 rupees. Next problem, on 1/4/2006, Krishna purchased a machine for 38,000 rupees. This is a diminishing balance method problem. In this unit, straight line method and diminishing balancing method are very important methods for problematic type of questions. Next one, write the advantages and limitations of written down balance method of providing depreciation. Next one, distinguish between depreciation, amortization and depletion. In part B, first 6 questions are 5-star rating questions, and this question 3-star rating question. Coming to Unit 4, Provisions and Reserves, Part A. First question, types of reserves. Next problem is, a firm provided 9,500 rupees reserve for repairs and renewals every year. In this question, you are required to prepare provisions for repairs and renewals account for the 3 years. And it is a T format pro forma. Next problem, a firm decide to debit its profit and loss account with uniform figure. It is also T format pro forma. Next one, write any 2 objectives of provision and reserve. For this question, you can include the objectives for provision and objectives for reserve. You can include these objectives in points format. Next question, explain about journal entries and its pro forma. Next one, what are the uses of reserves? First 5 questions are 5-star rating questions in part A and very important questions in unit 4. This question is 3-star rating question. Coming to part B, what are reserves? Distinguish between reserves and provisions. First, we need to write the definition or meaning part of reserves, and you can include the differences between reserves and provisions in tabular form. Next problem is on 1st January 2013, a reserve for doubtful debts account showed. For this question, we can prepare bad debts account and reserve for doubtful debts account for all the 3 years. It is also T format pro forma. Next one, explain the accounting treatment of provision for depreciation with journal entries. Next one is problem. The following particulars are available from the books of a transport company. It is also T format pro forma. Next one is also problem. Gupta provided 10,000 rupees per annum as reserve for repairs and renewals. In this question, you are required to prepare reserves for repairs and renewals account for 3 years ending. It is also T format pro forma. Next one is state the reasons whether the following are provisions capital reserve for revenue reserve. And next question is explain different types of reserves with examples. In part B, first 3 questions are 5-star rating questions. Next 2 questions are 3-star rating questions. These 2 questions are 5-star rating questions. Coming to Unit 5, Final Accounts Part A. First question is Trading Account. Next one is Define Final Accounts. Third question is what is a balance sheet? For these 3 questions, we can include the meaning in para form. Next one is distinguish between gross profit and net profit. For this question, you can include the differences between gross profit and net profit in tabular form. Next, explain the meaning and treatment of prepaid expenses, profit and loss account. These 4 questions are 5-star rating questions. This question, 3-star rating question, and this one, 5-star rating question. Coming to part B, explain the difference between trading account and profit and loss account. For this question, you can include the differences between trading account, profit and loss account in tabular form. Discuss the steps in preparation of final accounts. Next one is problem. From the following information, prepare the trading account. It is also a T format pro forma. Next one is also problem. Prepare trading, profit and loss account and balance sheet from the following trial balance of Srinivas. Next one is also problem. Prepare trading, profit and loss account, balance sheet. For this problem, we have 3 tables: trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. Next one is also problem. The following are the balances extracted from the books of Aravind. In this question, you need to prepare trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet as well. Next question, what is a balance sheet? Explain the purpose of preparing balance sheet. For this question, you can include the meaning part of balance sheet and you can write the purpose of preparing balance sheet in points format. And students, in this unit, trading, profit and loss account and balance sheet is compulsory as it is repeated and very important problematic question. And debit and credit, don't forget to mention the above the table. First question is 5-star rating question. Next one is 3-star rating question. And remaining questions are 5-star rating questions. And students, apart from these important questions, we can score up to 70% by downloading the SIA app and practicing the 5-star and 3-star questions.